bawat act, iba yung nararamdaman ko eh. You know, personally. Parang minsan, gusto ko makakita na napaka-talented. Pero minsan, pag may humarap sa'yo na, hindi naman talaga ganun ka extraordinary yung talent. Pero grabe, sobra yung charm, sobra yung sense of humor, talagang namamagnetize yung audience. So that, in other words, I cannot really pinpoint what I am looking for. Most of the time, it's gut feel. And most of the time, I go to the basic, which is, masarap ka bang panoorin? Alam mo yung gano'n. So, that's what I think. That's what I observed from the past tapings that we already have.
Hi, good afternoon. Okay, that's a very beautiful question. Sige, I'll start muna with the first one. My personal criteria, just for me, myself. I think, of course, unang-una is the uniqueness. Kasi this is season 7, so ang dami nang nagdaan sa Pilipinas Got Talent, especially FMG has been here since season 1. And siya yung nagsasabi sa amin na parang I've seen this, ganyan. And kami naman bago lang dito. So, when I say uniqueness, it can be singing, pero parang your own flavor. It can be dancing as a group or dancing individually. Pero ano yung talent na kahit na panoorin ko siya ngayon and 5 years from now, ito yung klaseng performance na hindi ko makakalimutan. At saka yung klaseng performance na kaya ko siyang panoorin 5 years from now, tapos ma-amaze pa rin ako. That's hard. Kasi diba, ang daming pwedeng kumanta, sumayaw, or kung ano mang acts na pati kami na surpresa pwede nilang gawin. Pero parang ang hirap ng performance na tatatak sa'yo and some performance na mag-represent sa Philippines, diba? So it's really hard. And pangalawa siguro yung uniqueness and then of course talent. We're looking for all kinds of talent, kung ano man yan. And pati kami mga judges, nasusurprise na kanya-kanyang talento ng mga Pilipina, lahat ng kalokohan na naging talent. Ang interesting na panoorin. So every time nandito kami to tape, para kaming, akala ko medyo chill lang siya eh, since nasa studio. Pero it's draining, emotionally, all emotions. Parang lahat ng tao makakausap mo and it's different when you're up there and makikita mo siya ng malapit, yung mga nag-perform. And lastly, siguro, I'm looking for parang your passion, just like us artists, diba? Iba siguro, if yes, you have a talent, but it really, parang iba yung nabibigay ng fire within you, your passion. So, nararamdaman namin na if you're just doing it for the sake of winning, for the money, or if you're just doing it para mag-trending, or pinapakita mo yung talent mo because you want to showcase world-class Filipino talent, then that's different. So, for me, a unique talent, then that's a champion. So, I'm looking for those 3 things.
Grabe naman yun. First of all, before I answer the question, gusto ko naman sabihin, ang ganda-ganda ng trailer. First time namin nung panood yun. Diba guys, hindi pinapakita sa amin kasi gusto nila surprise. So, maraming salamat sa Pro Team. Congratulations guys. Nakaka-good vibes, nakaka-excite. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Alright, so to answer your question, siguro para sa akin, it's what type of performance will move the room. The type of performance na after ninyong mapanood, mag-shift yung environment. Ang ganong klaseng performance. Kasi ang dami namin nakikitang talent, and sometimes it goes beyond that. You look at the charisma, you look at the personality, you look at how they conduct themselves. So I think we're also looking within. Yung nakikita natin na gaano ba kalala yung fire nila. How bad do they want this? Ganon. Kasi marami din kami nakita talent na okay lang yung nakita nating fire. So, there's a lot that goes into it. And we always talk about it as judges or even with the hosts. To even answer your second question, ano yung feeling na meron kaming sort of power or say sa magiging next big thing or the winner of this contest? Of course, it's a very big responsibility. But I think because everyone here is really putting in all of their efforts to really come up with the best possible way we can fairly judge and critique all these contestants. I think the production did a good job in making sure na lahat ng sasabak dito everyone has a fair chance. And dito, since first time ko sa PGT, dito ko lang nakita talaga na ibang klase yung talento ng Pinoy na kailangan talaga makita ng world stage. So yun yung hinahanap. Yun yung puso ng show. So, yeah, and it's been a crazy experience so far. The most intense thing is never namin malalaman kung ano ba o sino bang makita natin to walk out of this stage, and that's what makes it so cool. So just to be part of this, it's truly a blessing.
Alam ko, surprisingly, ang gagaling ng mga bagong judges namin. Ako naman, I've been judging for the last 6 years, and this is 7th year. Masyado na akong jaded, nakita ko ng lahat eh. It's so difficult for me to look for that right talent that would make a difference. But definitely Kako. There's only one word that will describe. Yung wow factor. Pag tinamaan ka niyan, alam mo na, eto na yun. Which they described in so many words, no? How the room will change with Donnie, right? How it affects you. But it's really hard to judge. And these people are so nice na mabait sila sa mga talents. Na pag nando sila, nilalapitan pa nila. At sabihin, sige, umulit ka ulit, magaling ka naman eh. So I love working with these people.
And wait, can I just say, iba rin yung kampante ko pag nandyan si Miss Eugene. Kasi syempre, first time ko dito. So every time nandyan, iba rin yung kaba. And doon ko na-realize na sobrang hirap mag-judge. Yung simple lang na pagtingin ko sa kaliwa ko si Miss Eugene, iba yung pag may fellow, babae na nakikita, and then Ate Mela is there. So iba siguro yung energy din na nabibigay natin mga babae. So thank you also for guiding me.
Yes, my God. And also just to share, lahat ng sinagot nila tama. Yun. That's it. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na I'm not here kung hindi sinadjust ni Katrina isama ako.
Yes!
So, I think that's worth noting. Please note that. Because for a while, I've been thinking, ano kayang show ang gagawin ko pa next? Ano bang next project ko? And my God, this show landed on my lap and I just said, oh, I think this is the best show. I mean, this is the most entertaining show. If the Filipinos have given up on TV, don't. The best is yet to come. PGT is the best show. If not, Sir Freddy won't be here. Diba, Sir Freddy? I mean, this is everything. This is entertainment, this is talent, and this is Filipino. What more can you ask for?